check the description below. I have a video that shows you how to convert your Word document into an image or a picture using 4 ways in Microsoft Word. And also, based on that particular video, I had a comment in my DM from one of my cherished viewer that says that how can we convert a Word document to a JPEG image or a JPEG picture? Because in my previous video, when I was showcasing how to convert the Word document, I showed how to convert into a PNG image, that is portable network graphics image. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Word document into a JPEG image, and as usual, a PNG image. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the interface of Microsoft Word and let's identify this particular effect. Now, this is a Word document I have which has been created by Banahene Tutorial Collections. Now, how can we convert this particular document into an image? When you look through this image, I have text and I have images. Because I have this blend of images and also text, sometimes converting this into an image, that is the entire document, might have a portion of the document cut off. So I'm going to show you the best approach to have this particular effect done. Based on this document, since you have some images available, those images can be copied and pasted into your created document, whilst we convert the individual text into an image. Then after that, we merge them and convert all of them into a particular image. So let's jump to the beginning of this particular document. I have this text here and I have this image. Since this is an image, I'm going to select all these texts by clicking and dragging. Then I'm going to right click and choose copy. I can also use Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Now that I have this particular text copied into the clipboard of Microsoft Word, I'm going to use Ctrl+N on the keyboard. This opens up a new document. You can also use the traditional way by clicking on File, then you choose New and then select a blank document. You can also go to Home and also select Blank Document. When you have this particular document open, I'm going to use this keyboard shortcut, that is Alt-H-V-S, and this is going to open the Paste Special dialog box in Microsoft Word. And in these options, we are going to select Picture Enhanced Meta File, and when you click, you choose OK. Now, this text that we have in our previous Word document has been converted to this particular image. And you all know that when it comes to images in Microsoft Word, when you select an image, you have this icon beside it, which is the layout options or the wrap options. And when you click, this allows you to inline this particular image with your text or wrap your text around this particular image. And then when you click or choose any of them, this can help you to move this image around. Now, what shows that this is an image? I have showed you the first signal. The second way to identify this as an image is to right click on this, and in these options you have the option to change a picture. You can also edit the picture, and as usual, you can also save this as a picture. So when I click on this, I have this Save as Picture dialog box. I can change this file name, and the save as type is portable network graphics. So this is when we are going to save it as a JPEG image, that is a joint image. So when I click on this arrow, I have all these options. I can save it as a PNG, a JPEG. Also, I have it as graphical interchange format, which is the GIF. We can also have it as this format. You can also have it as bitmap and these other options that we have here. So when you click on this arrow, you can expand and choose JPEG and click on save to save this particular image as a JPEG image. Hope I am replying this particular comment from this particular cherished viewer. Now that we have this done, we can go back to our previous Word document, and I'm going to click and select this text, hold Ctrl+C, move back to our new document, and I'm going to click here to position my cursor. Use the Alt-H-V-S on the keyboard. We are going to obtain the Paste Special, click on Picture Enhanced Meta File and click on OK. So you can see that I am compiling this text and converting them into an image. Now if I click on this, I can change the wrap text option So presently I have 2 images in this Word document. Now if you convert all this text that you have in your Word document into an image, and let's assume that you have other images that presently I have in my Word document. You can see that I have all these images here. I can select this, Ctrl+C, then move to my new Word document and hold Ctrl+V. So I also have this image here. So if all this content has been converted to images, what you can do is, when you select the first one, you hold down the Control key, select and select. Now you're going to have all this content selected as images. Then you right click, choose save as picture, then we move to any location on our desktop, then we choose whether PNG or JPEG, then we click on save, and this is going to save all this as one particular image. So when you get access to your Word document and you have a lot of text and you want to convert them to images, select the individual text if you don't have enough images available. But if you have images also in your Word document, then you select the individual text, convert them to images, then you copy all your images back to the new Word document, then you select all the images and save them as one particular picture. So this is how to convert your Word document into a JPEG image. And as I said, I have a video that shows you how to convert a Word document to an image using 4 different ways. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share and comment, and subscribe to this community, and we shall meet in the next one.